Dear students, good morning. We are going to learn today a new lesson, okay? And the name of the lesson is A Truly Beautiful Mind. A Truly Beautiful Mind of class 9, okay? Written by Albert Einstein and based on his schooling life, okay? And about his life. So, about Albert Einstein, let us know before you read the point we covered, reading of the lesson or the paraphrasing of lesson, that is summarizing of lesson. Word notes, that is vocabulary or meanings. Comprehension tip, that is question and answers of the every paragraph or a passage. Writing skills, if any found, if not language wise, that is of a grammar skills. Let's know a true beautiful mind, the complete paraphrasing of the lesson. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879. He was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. In the German city of Ulm. Name of the city is German. Okay. German and village name is Ulm. 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 Village. City. Okay. Let's see. He had no signs of greatness. So he had no any kind of a sign of a greatness that I am proud, I am this, I am that. Nothing it was being found in him. He was a simple living and a normal lifestyle living man. His mother thought that he was a freak. His mother thought that he was a freak. Freak means bit problematic with health. Okay? Then Albert was uncommon. Albert was very uncommon. He was not like us. He was not like us. When he learned to speak, he spoke everything twice. So when he started to speak or learn, he used to tell double time everything. So if we say Amma, he used to say Amma, Amma double time. Same way, whenever he started to learn to speak, he used to speak double time or twice. He was boring for other children, but everyone used to get bored of him. They did not like him. Okay, he was very slow. Okay, he was very slow. So he played by himself much of the time. So his childhood and his time he spent with himself only. He used to play alone. He did not play with his friends and did not have a friend circle. Okay, so he used to play independently and alone. He loved mechanical toys. He also loved mechanical toys. Mechanical toys means whatever the electronic toys are there which are used with the remote control or which can be found with the electrical or cells or which can move on remotes. So all the electronic toys were being used by whom? By Albert Einstein. So he was very much fond of machines, machinery things, machinery articles or machinery goods. You can also see that looking at his newborn sister Maja. Now, what is the name of his sister? Name of the sister is Maja. 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 His sister. And sister was a younger or a little one. So, where her wheels were. So, he used to ask questions. Where are the wheels for my sister? So, such type of a knowledge was found with whom? Albert Einstein. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಾಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ನೆಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ to his mother, where are the wheels of my sister? Why can't she move on the wheels? Albert belies the headmaster. Now, Albert always belies the headmaster, means the headmaster did not like him. Let's see what made him that he didn't like. A headmaster told his father one day. So, what he told? That Einstein would never begin or make a success at anything. So this was the sentence from the headmaster. What is that? Einstein may not get success in his life or in anything he may not get success. So is it good? It's not good. But this is wrong from the headmaster side. Let's see. Einstein began playing at the age of 6. 6 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ he started to play. Later he became a gifted violinist. And in the future, he became gifted violinist. Violinist means he started to play violin as a hobby. As a hobby. He made his hobby to play violin. Leave school for good. And he leaves the school for good. ಒಳ್ಳೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಶಾಲಿನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಬೇಡ ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. No friends, Even the teacher did not like, or the headmaster did not like. Everyone was giving a negative opinion about him, and they were saying him a boring brother. Boring brother andre getting bored with him. Okay, that's why. So he left the school. Einstein was not a bad pupil, but actually ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ he was not a bad. He was slow. He was using mechanical toys. He was asking some questions which were odd also sometimes. He joined the high school in Munich University, and then he went to the Munich, M-U-N-I-C-H, the place called Munich, and he started his high school education. High school education. You also see here, he clashed with his teachers. There were quarrels with the teachers also. Einstein had a quarrel with teachers. He did not like strict discipline. He did not like all the time making strict, do this, do that, sit here, sit there, do this way, do that way. And order in schools, any order given in the schools was not liked by whom? By Einstein. He left school for good at the age of 15. So he left the school at the age of 15. At the age of 15. 15 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅವನು ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Education in Switzerland. Now let's see, again he takes education in the Switzerland itself. A year before his parents had moved to Milan. Now his parents went to the place called Milan. M-I-L-A-N. Milan. Okay, they left him with relatives. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ. They went to Milan, leaving him with the relatives. He was able to continue his education in Switzerland. So he continued his education in Switzerland. ಆದ ನಂತರ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಿಟ್ಜರ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. Okay, he took education in Switzerland. Goes to university. Then after he went to the university, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics. ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವಂತರು in the subject maths, our favorite subject and most interesting subject. He was interested in physics also. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಂದ್ರೆ physics. He also liked physics and was interested in physics. He decided to study at the university in Zurich, and then he went to the university called Zurich. Z-U-R-I-C-H. Zurich University. Okay. ಅವರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೋದ್ರು, Zurich ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Falls in love. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Let's see with whom he falls in love. He had a special interest in a fellow student. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಗಡಿಗರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Her name is Mileva Maric. Mileva Maric. M-I-L-E-V-A. Mileva. M-A-R-I-C. Maric. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಲವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So he falls in love with her. She was a clever creator. Clever creature ಅಂದ್ರೆ very intelligent animal, means very intelligent girl. Okay. She was a Serb. Serb means Serbian, Siberian. S-E-R-B. Serb. Serb is a place. Serbian, Siberian, Serbian. The university in Zurich was one of the few universities in Europe. Okay, Zurich University Europe ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ among all the universities. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ Zurich University was also a famous one. Where women could get degrees. Especially women's had a lot of importance. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಮಹತ್ವ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, and they were given more what you can say freedom for the women's and admissions for women for the education purpose. Therefore she had come to Switzerland. ಆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಿಲೆವಾ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಕ್ had came to Switzerland. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಿಟ್ಜರ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಮಿಲೆವಾ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಕ್. Let's see. The couple fall in love. Hebrew fall in love. Both were fond of physics and mathematics and all. They fall in love. However, their love was expressed in science. Their love was based on science subject. Both were interested in science. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಬ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. Togetherly studying, discussing, okay, and togetherly walking to canteen here there in the university, and simultaneously they try to understand each other and they fall in love because of science subject. Gets a job. ಈಗ ಅವರು ಜಾಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Einstein. He at the age of 21, Albert Einstein got his job in the university degree. University degree ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಬಂತು. Okay, at the age of 21. ಅವರ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಆವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 21 ವಯಸ್ಸು. He also got a job. He became a technical expert in the patent office in Bern in 1920. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬರ್ನ್ BERN ಬರ್ನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ BERN. Okay. And there he started to work in year 1920. 1920 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. He was also actually developing his own ideas in secret. ಅವರು ತಂದು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. He called his desk at the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. ಅವನ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವಿತ್ ಡ್ರಾವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. He gave the name for that Bureau of Theoretical Physics. ಬರೀ ಥಿಯರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥಿಯರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಹಿ ಗೇವ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂರೋ. ಬ್ಯೂರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಬರ್ಡ್, ಕಬರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಯರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಥಿಯರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಅವನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ. One of the famous paper of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಯಿತು ಇನ್ ಇಯರ್ 1905, 1905 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಜನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಭಾಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ವ್ ದ ಪವರ್, ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ತಾಕತ ಮತ್ತು ಯುಕ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಗಳ ಹಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಜನ್. ಆವಾಗ ಇವರು 1905 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಟ್ಜರ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಪಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸಿ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಾದ ವಿವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಅತ್ಯಾಚಾರವನ್ನು ಆಗುತ್ತವೆ ಬೈ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್. ಅವಾಗ ಸಮಯ ತಕ್ಕಂತ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಆ ಸ್ಥಳನೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಮಯನೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಇತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಟೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಜರ್ನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಎರಡು ವಾಚ್ ನೀವು ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆದ್ರೂ there is a somewhat difference in a second or something is there which is one watch is leading and one watch is running and it is back. One watch is back and one watch is leading. Somewhere difference of a second is there only. So this is what the theory of relativity says of who? Of the place and time. ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ಆ ವೇಳೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಮಯನೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್, that is the part, the earth, and second is the energy. Okay, then E is equal to mc square. E stands for energy, m for mass, and c for the speed of light in a vacuum. Speed of light, or speed of light in a vacuum, which is about 300,000 kilometers. 300,000 kilometers. This is what it is, theory of relativity. It was been found by Albert Einstein. Notice, school ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಚ್ಚ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. He was being considered as a dull, lazy, slow person, boring boy. Headmaster told, never you will get successful in anything. See the things, how it happened. Einstein's mother on Mileva. Now let us see, our ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಲೇವಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಥವಾ ಜಗಳ ತಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತವೆ. Let's see. Einstein was solving the most difficult problem in physics. ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ in the physics, whereas here in the home his private life was starting to fail. Adru maneli private life ella halagta ide. The love and cooperation is lost now. On the name of science only both of them came together, they fall in love. But now he is studying his important subject science and studying all the formulas, whereas the mother and the daughter-in-law Mileva are quarreling. Opinions are different and private life is failing. Mileva, he wanted to marry Mileva, but his mother was against it. Oh, ina marriage agilla. He wanted to get marry Mileva, adru our ತಾಯಿ permission ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Let us see. She was 3 years older than him. Oh, ಅವರು ಅವಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಕಿಂತ 3 ವರ್ಷ ವಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಡರ್, ದೊಡ್ಡವರು, ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದ್ರು. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. ತಾಯಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ಹುಷಾರ, ಜಾಣವಂತ. But still she is not ready because she is elder than her son. Einstein marries, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let's see. The pair finally actually married in January 1903. 1903 ಜನವರಿ 1903 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಿತು. They had two sons. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಗಂಡು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವೆ. A few years later the marriage failed. ಆದರೂ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. They had quarrels and difference in opinions. ವಿಚಾರ ಒಬ್ಬರದು ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. The couple finally divorced in 1919. 1903 ಮದುವೆ, 1919 ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್. ಅವರಿಂದ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Then Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. ಅದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ immediately Einstein got married with his cousin. ಅವ್ರ cousin ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ Elsa, ELSA, Elsa. So he got married immediately with Elsa. ಎರಡು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದಾವೆ, ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. And in the same year 1919, one side divorce, second side marriage immediately. Receives the Nobel Prize. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಿಕ್ತು, Nobel Prize. Let's see. Einstein's new chapter brought him world fame. ಅವ್ರ ಹೊಸ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. He also became famous. In 1950 he had published his general theory of relativity. 1915 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಆಯಿತು, ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಯಿತು. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 proved its accuracy. And 1919 ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಕತೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಯಿತು, due to the eclipse and the moving sun, and it has shown that the theory is true. ಆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಆಯಿತು. And the newspaper called his work as a scientific revolution. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಹೊಸ ತರಬೇತಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಸ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ ಶೂರವೀರ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ತೋರಿಸೋರು ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಅಂತ. Then you can see he received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. 1921 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಿಕ್ತು in the field of physics. In the field of physics, he received honors and invitations from all over the world after that. ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಎವ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, and also received honors and rewards. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿತ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಜನರು ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವೆಲ್ ನೋನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಮಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು US. ಕೊನೆಗೆ US ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. The Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933. ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 1933 ನಾಜಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ came into existence. Hitler was there and ruling the people like anyhow and killing them tyrannically. ಯಾವುದು ದಯೆ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ದು ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇತ್ತು? ಹಿಟ್ಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ he left Germany and came to United States of America. ಖರೆ ಅವರು ನೇಟಿವ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಅವರು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. 5 years later nuclear fission was discovered by the Nazis in Berlin. ಬರ್ಲಿನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಣ ನಂತರ ಆವಾಗ at the time of Hitler atom bomb came into existence. Nuclear weapon, nuclear bomb. Let's see. It upset the American physicists. American physicists ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು, ನಿರಾಶಾಗಿದ್ರು because of this invention. They were afraid that the Nazis would build and use an atomic bomb. ಈ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಅವರು ನಾಜೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತು ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೀವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾನಿಕಾರಕ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವೇರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಫೋರ್ಸೇಬಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಟು US ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ US ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಬ್ರಹಾಂ ಲಿಂಕನ್, ದ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಅವರು ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಂದು ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು ಲೆಟರ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, make my son to know good and bad, make my son to know about the theft and loyalty, make my son to know about the rich and the poor, make my son to know about the cruel and the kind, make my son to know about the God and man. This is what he is written in the letter. By whom? Abraham Lincoln to his son's president. Don't get afraid of me because I am president. If my son is wrong, make him straight to understand, make him to know what is good and bad. ಅಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು. So by this we come to know here, Einstein also wrote a letter to his US president, to the US president. Einstein wrote a letter to the American president Franklin D. Roosevelt. Franklin D. Roosevelt on August 2nd, 1939. 1939 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ 39 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು 2ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು. ಏನಂತ? In it he warned that a single bomb of this type might destroy the whole part. ಈ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಜಲ್ಕರ್ತಾ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ನಾಜೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯುದ್ಧನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಂತವನ್ನು ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವಾಸ್ಟೇಟೆಡ್. ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಬ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದರು. And they dropped it on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೀಸನ್ and to prove scientifical ಇದು ಸತ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. And that bomb was used by United States of America in the World War, and the bomb was exploded or dropped on the two states of the Japan. One is Hiroshima and another one is Nagasaki. ಆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಳಾಗೋದು. Lakhs and lakhs of people died in August 1945. ಇದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು ಯಾರ್ದು? ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿ. ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೀಸ್, ಜನರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಂತಿ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪೀಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಜೀವ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೀಪ್ಲಿ ಶೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೈನ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. This time he wrote a public letter to the United Nations. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದರು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? In it he has proposed the formation of a world government. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಆದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೋ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ವಾಸ್ ರೆಡಿ. There were difference of opinions in all the nations and states. Einstein in the next decade involved himself in politics. After that, in the next decade, that is the next period after the 10 years, he joined in the politics. Yaru? Einstein. He wanted to bring an end to the arms buildup. Or one day goal ittu that to stop the arms, weapons, and not to use weapons and arms, there should be no revolution. And our politics nalli hodru. Adru politics nalli war agilda agodilla. He worked for peace and democracy. ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. With the love, peace and for democracy, in the welfare of the people. We have Indian democracy. The people, for the people and by the people. Lastly, ಕೊನೆಗೆ he died. Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. 1955ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಾವು ಬಂತು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. And he was of 76 years old. He was celebrated as a visionary and a world citizen. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೆಲ್ ನೋನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಷನರಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಅ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಬೀಂಗ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಏನೇನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. After knowing all these things, you come to know many things. Genius, word meaning, a person with uncommon intellectual powers. Succession, coming one after the other. Motion, movement. Electrodynamics, a field of science. Energy, power. Journals, magazines. Entire cosmos, complete world. Transformed, changed. Synonym, having identical meaning. Having identical meaning. Okay? Unraveling, starting to fail, bothered, full of anxiety, patient, soul right, expert, specialist, secured God, finally in the end, assistant, one who assists. Okay, amateur, one who loves to do something, violinist, one who plays on violin, coincident, matched, divorced, separate in marriage, constant, persistent, proclaimed, declared, deflected, set aside, gravitational, related to the force attraction, colleague, co-worker, warned, gave warning, exploded, got fired, destruction, ruin, missive, letter, proposed, suggested, impact, effect, decade, period of 10 years, popularity, being known and loved, celebrated, rejoiced, visionary, one having a vision. This is all about word meanings. Come to the next question and answers. What abnormality did Einstein have as an infant? He was talking anything, even at the 2.5 years age. At the 2.5 years age, ಅವರು ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. Why was he called brother boring by his playmates? Answer: he was called brother boring by his playmates. It was so as he did not know what to do with them. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. How did Einstein pass his time? Einstein passed his time by playing himself. Find a word from the passage which means spoke. Spoke means to utter. Einstein was not a bad pupil. How? Einstein was not a bad pupil in the sense that he got good marks in all subjects. Where did Einstein live with his parents had moved to Milan? He lived with his relatives when his parents had moved to Milan. Why did Einstein finally leave the school? He left the school because he felt stifled being in it. Stifled being in it, not interested. Find a word from the passage which means large-hearted, liberal. Liberal, Liberal. Who does he refer to in the first line? Answer. He in the first line refers to Einstein. How is Mileva Maric described in the paragraph? Mileva Maric is Einstein's fellow student. She is described as a clever creature. She comes to Switzerland for getting a degree, rather in a clever way. Who is called the young Serb? Mileva Maric is called the young Serb. She is from Serbia and is a young one. Case of Serb is Serbia, short form. Find a phrase in the extract which means in disagreement. The phrase is at odds. At odds. When did Einstein pass his graduation? Einstein passed his graduation in 1900 at the age of 21. What did Einstein do after graduating? Einstein worked as teaching assistant after graduating. Einstein. When and where did Einstein get a job? Einstein get a job in 1902 as a technical assistant in the patent office in Bern, BERN. Okay, find a word from the passage which means obtained. Obtained means secured. SECURED. What proved Einstein's the theory of relativity as accurate and why? The solar eclipse in 1919 proved it as accurate. What did Einstein's theory of relativity actually do? Einstein's theory of relativity actually provided a new interpretation of gravity. How did the press look at Einstein's theory of relativity? The press looked at Einstein's theory of relativity as a scientific revolution. Find a word from the passage which means gave out, provided. Answer is provided. Here are some headings of the paragraphs in the text. Write the number S of the paragraphs for each title against the heading. The first one is done for you. Einstein's equation is number 9. Okay. Then Einstein meets his future wife, that is number 3. Mileva and Einstein's mother. Mileva and Einstein's mother is number 10. Einstein meets his future wife, that is number 7. The making of violinist is number 3. Then a letter that launched the arms race, number 14. A desk drawer full of ideas is number 8. Marriage and divorce is number 11. Okay, this is how it is done for us. Who had this opinion about Einstein? He was boring, he was stupid, would never succeed in life, he was freak. And answer is Einstein did not like the strict order and discipline of the school he had classed with the teachers. So he was boring, said by his playmates. He was a stupid and would never succeed in life, said by a headmaster. He was a freak, said by his mother. Then Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. Explained. Einstein did not like the strict order and discipline of the school he had clashed with the teachers also. Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. His parents moved to Milan. They left Einstein with their relatives. Einstein convinced his parents to continue his education in Switzerland. Einstein seeing in Mileva an ally. Ally means partner. He saw an ally in Mileva because he found her as a clever creature. She was very intelligent also. What do these tell you about Einstein? These tell all about Einstein was not an ordinary boy. He had the qualities that would make him great in future, and this he did show in his discoveries. This is all about the Albert Einstein. Okay. Coming to the next is complete the sentences below by filling the blanks with a suitable participle of clauses. Okay, you have to put the clause, whether it is a subordinate clause or main clause, or whether it is a dependent or independent, meaning is same. Dash, the firefighters finally put out the fire. Working around the clock, the firefighters finally put out the fire. She watched the sunset above the mountain dash. Noticing the colors blending softly into one another, she watched the sunset above the mountain. Then the excited horse pawed the ground rapidly, dash. Neighing continually, the excited horse pawed the ground rapidly. Dash, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. Having taken the wrong train, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. I was desperate to get to the bathroom. Okay? Having not bathed for 2 days, I was desperate to get to the bathroom. The stone steps dash needed to be replaced. The stone steps being worn down needed to be replaced. The actor received hundreds of letters from his fans dash. Actor received hundreds of fans from his fans asking him to send them his photograph. This is all about things. Writing newspaper report. Writing a newspaper report. So this is also one of the writing skill. Okay. That's it for today's lesson. We'll see in the next class. See you then. Bye bye.